In Southwest Louisiana, we have a lot of things to be proud of. You see it in the richness of our culture, the diversity of our people, the abounding opportunities for individuals and families, and the upward trend in our region's economy. We have an exciting journey ahead as we make our mark on the 21st century. Like the rest of the nation, Southwest Louisiana has been and will continue to be impacted in coming years by the baby boomer population. And as advancements in medicine continue to take place, there will be a greater need for healthcare providers to care for this generation. In fact, all healthcare positions are predicted to be in demand for many years, as the industry is one of the nation's top 5 areas of employment that will need millions of new workers. Let's bring it a little closer to home. If you are considering your future career path, allow yourself to delve into the possibility of a career where you are challenged, have exceptional opportunities for advancement, collaborate with other professionals, and impact lives.
A career in healthcare offers them so many options, especially with nursing. It's so diverse. You can do home health nursing, community health nursing. You can be a nurse practitioner. You can be a clinical nurse specialist. You can be a clinical educator. There's so many things you can do with nursing. You start with your 1 degree. You can go on and get a master's degree or even a doctorate. And the sky's the limit with what you can do with a degree in nursing.
Healthcare professionals touch the lives of everyone at some point in time. From the joy of birth to providing comfort during times of stress. They provide care and treatment to the residents of our community through employment in hospitals, home health agencies, long-term care facilities, physician practices, state agencies, and through retail and industrial employers. Have you ever thought about being a registered nurse, a licensed practical nurse, a pharmacist, a lab technician, a medical technologist, a physical therapist, an occupational therapist, a clinical lab scientist, a certified nurse aide, a radiology technician, a nutritionist? The possibilities are seemingly endless.
I am Spring Fontenot. I'm currently an LPN and in school for my RN at McNeese. I went to school at SWLA, a technical college here in Louisiana, for my LPN license. I did so as a single mother of 3 children. So technical school helped me because it was something that was not as expensive as a regular 4-year college, and I could get my feet in the door as far as nursing goes and see if it was something that I really wanted to do.
Right now I'm working at Lake Charles Memorial Hospital, and I got started, I just saw it on CSI. I saw this guy working in the lab and I thought it looked really cool, and so I went to Louisiana Tech majoring in medical technology. I really love working in the lab, doing the hands-on experience. And I just love to feel like I'm actually doing something for the patients.
My name's McQuita Gallion. I'm a registered nurse at St. Pat's. I've always wanted to be a nurse since I was about 7 years old. My mom's a nurse as well. I did my training over at McNeese. I did the BSN program, and I just love being a nurse. St. Pat's is a wonderful hospital. I love the Christian atmosphere, and love my coworkers as well.
You know, when you're in the hospital, you're sick, you're at your worst, and it's really nice to be able to be that person that brings a smile into the room, that gives you just exactly what you need in that moment.
In addition to having a strong work ethic, the qualities of a good healthcare provider include patience, empathy, and sincerity, critical thinking skills, teamwork, respectful and tactful, compliant but flexible, seeks continued growth, career that makes a difference.
My name is Amanda Liggio. I recently graduated from McNeese State University and now work at Lake Charles Memorial Hospital as a radiologic technologist. I work in diagnostics, so I take x-rays, but you could also go back to school and do ultrasound, CT, MRI, specials, all different kinds of things. Right now I work part-time, but I make about $25,000 a year, and I also have benefits. And it's probably about twice as much as I used to make before I had a degree.
I see myself in 5 or 10 years. I just applied for the master's program at McNeese, so I plan on working on that. It'll be a 2.5-year program. Have not really decided what I want to do with it, whether nurse practitioner or just a nurse educator.
Nursing has the potential to take you to so many places. There are, traveling jobs that you can do, and you can see the world through nursing, and they'll pay you to do it. It's wonderful.
When it comes to salaries, the earning capacity of a healthcare professional varies from company to company and job to job. Here are a few averages, just to give you an idea. Pharmacist, $125,000 a year. Nurse practitioner, $86,000 a year. Physical therapist, $70,000 a year. Registered nurse, $56,000 a year. Lab technician, $48,000 a year. Radiology technician, $48,000 a year. Licensed practical nurse, $35,000 a year. In this industry, the possibilities for growth and advancement are open-ended. From entry level to section leader to management and on to administration, healthcare workers have plenty of opportunities. In Southwest Louisiana, our hospitals are committed to providing exceptional patient care to the residents of our community and surrounding parishes. With innovative procedures, state-of-the-art technology, physician expertise, and the compassionate care of hospital nursing staff, we deliver advanced, personalized health care. How do you get started? The first step is to receive training and education to prepare you for the road ahead. If you've lived in Southwest Louisiana for a while, you can't help but recognize the strong educational system right here in Southwest Louisiana. With some of the region's top educators and schools, Lake Charles is home to 2 higher education institutions with accredited healthcare education programs: McNeese State University and SWLA Technical Community College. In addition, we have 3 Louisiana technical colleges: Morgan Smith in Jennings, Lamar Salter in Leesville, and Oakdale campus in Oakdale. McNeese State University has excelled in training healthcare industry professionals for 70 years, offering 2-year and 4-year degree programs. In the field of nursing, McNeese offers both the ADN, a 2-year degree, and the BSN, a 4-year degree. Since 2004, nursing graduates from McNeese have grown from 88 to over 175 per year and are regularly exceeding the national passage rate on the National Licensing Examination. McNeese's biological science degree affords students the opportunity for admission to graduate school, such as medical, dental, physical therapy, chiropractic, dental hygiene, pharmacy, and physician assistant schools. McNeese graduates have a 10-year medical school acceptance average of 70%. In 2007 to 2008, McNeese graduates had an 86% medical school acceptance rate, double the national average. Other majors McNeese offers include chemistry, clinical laboratory science, radiologic sciences, dietetics, exercise science and health promotion, and psychology. Many avenues of financial aid exist. For starters, you can look into state and federal student financial aid programs, including TOPS, loans, grants, scholarships, campus jobs, and other types of student assistance. Many employers will reimburse the costs of tuition and books for future work commitments. Also, paid internship programs are offered in departments that provide learning experiences for students in healthcare areas. At SWLA Technical Community College, there are 2 educational programs that prepare students to work in the nursing field, and 1 program that prepares individuals to do medical coding and billing. The Nurse Assistant program takes only a few weeks to complete and trains students to be certified nurse assistants. CNAs work in a variety of patient care environments. The Practical Nursing program is more intensive and takes approximately 18 months to complete. Once finished, students must pass an examination by the Louisiana Board of Practical Nurse Examiners in order to become a licensed practical nurse. Their pay scale is generally more significant than nurse assistants, but less than that of registered nurses. The Medical Coding and Billing program is comprised of 4 courses. Upon completion, students receive a certificate from SWLA and are eligible to take the certification exam for medical coding and billing.
I said earlier that, I love being that person there for someone when they're sick. And that really changed my view on everything. And knowing that I have that responsibility each day has changed the way that I do everything. It's also allowed me to take care of my children. Like I said, I'm a single mother, so to be able to do that gives me a great sense of accomplishment, that I can wake up every day and know that I'm doing something that helps other people, it helps my family, and ultimately that all helps me.
Southwest Louisiana companies have much to offer to their future workforce. We are working together to improve the health of our communities.